Today I'm going to show you how to add click sound effect to your videos using CapCut. So it's pretty easy. You just have to go to your project, then go to the top left corner of the screen where it says import and audio. Click on audio, and right below music you will see the sound effects option. And here you can search for any sound effects. We are looking for the click sound effects right now, and then you can just look up all the available sound effects, and you can add them to your videos by clicking on the plus icon, and you can place them anywhere. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation, and see you in the next one.